This is how you can make a hydroponic by using recycled items. First and foremost, poke a hole onto the plastic bottle using any hot items. Secondly, connect 2 big straws by inserting one into the other. After that, make 4 holes on the big straw. After that, insert smaller straws into the holes made on the big straw. Now, the big straw is connected to the bottle by inserting it into the hole made in the bottle earlier. Then, the end of the big straw is folded nicely and clipped. Glue the straw onto the bottle to ensure that it is secure. Experiment your product to make sure that it works. To test your product, add water into the big bottle as shown. Plastic cups are placed at every small straw's location. A DIY hydroponic system allows you to grow plants without soil using nutrient-rich water solution. A simple system can be created using recycled items. The straw functions as a pump to circulate water. Nutrients need to be added into the water as plants can get food from the water. As you can see, water flows through the big straw and is pumped out the smaller straws into the plastic cups.